Hey, welcome back. I genuinely feel sad for Zalak. The way Gaurish was literally threatening her in the episode by saying, मुझे तेरे बारे में भी बहुत कुछ पता है, लेकिन मैं यहाँ बोल नहीं सकता. Like, what does that even mean? He was clearly trying to intimidate her, as if saying, तू चुप रह, नहीं तो मैं वो सब भी बोल दूंगा. That was honestly not cool at all. प्रोमो में भी दिखाया गया that while talking to Gaurish, she broke down and started crying. But honestly, it feels like Gaurish को Zalak से अब कोई लेना देना ही नहीं है. The way he behaves with Akanksha is completely different from how he behaves with Zalak. Now talking about Kiara, she was absolutely fire in yesterday's episode. But Anisha को इतना question करने के बजाय, she should have questioned Gullu. Kiara का actual connection Gullu है, Anisha नहीं. At some point, it genuinely felt like she was bullying Anisha. She wasn't even letting Chakshdeep and Anisha talk properly. हर बार बीच में interrupt कर रही थी. But Kiara defending Niharika, that was honestly wholesome to watch. Akanksha and Yogesh को फिर से साथ देख के अच्छा लगा. Akanksha even got emotional when Yogesh hugged her. They look really cute on the show. बाहर तो obviously बहुत ड्रामा चल रहा है, but on screen they look sweet. There are also rumors that Ruru might take a wildcard entry next week, something host Karan Kundra hinted at. And ever since Yogesh's downfall started, उसके around 4,000 followers भी कम हो गए हैं. Sadaf and Taine are also cute. लेकिन एक दिन पहले Sadaf was so into Mohit. Then suddenly Sunny told Taine something completely different. Why this favoritism every time? और देवतांशु लगता है कसम खा के आए हैं कि वो आखिरी सांस तक अनुष्का का ही पीछा करेंगे. It doesn't even feel like he came to build a genuine connection in Splitsvilla X6. He came for masti, and that's exactly what he's doing. He is funny, no doubt, but मुझे लगता है Saundarya genuinely likes him a lot. When Diptanshu said he's shy, I feel like he should have clearly mentioned that he has a girlfriend outside. That would have been more honest. It's unfair जब सामने वाला इंसान genuinely आपको पसंद करता है, but you already have a connection outside. That honestly feels like betrayal. Now Mohit and Anushka. Mohit खुद डोम में accept कर चुका था that Anushka is dominating. So after her re-entry, what exactly changed? Suddenly he went into complete denial mode. I genuinely feel bad for Anushka. Everyone keeps calling her dominating because Mohit himself admitted it when everyone was pointing it out. और अगर मोहित इतना ही सीधा होता तो जब अनुष्का के पास पार आई थी, he wouldn't have flipped. He's actually very smart. Smart in a calculated way. Next vote out prediction. Harshit, Chakshdeep, Zalak या प्रीत में से कोई एक जा सकता है. Thank you for watching.